Unidad chopper, stay low.
No hay actividad enemiga en la última posición conocida. Intentando retomar contacto.
Got a tango.
I'm getting in position. Target marked.
Moving to a good sight line.
10 sighted.
Copy. Target marked.
Just spotted one with submachine guns.
Moving to a better position. Good to go. Target down.
We pulled some interesting intel from that data hack.
What have we got?
General Barrow's former aide is in jail. Turns out he knew a little too much about Unidad's dirty laundry, so Barrow locked him up. You set him free. He might feel like sharing some secrets he has on his old boss.
That dog will hunt.
We also found information that assets we have placed within Unidad may be exposed. Somehow, some Santa Blanca mook found out who they are, and he's planning to name them to an Unidad captain named Iglesia. You have to silence this cartel informer.
We got a location on the target?
Negative, but we have a location on the Unidad captain. Find him, tail him to his meet with the Santa Blanca informer, then take out the informer.
Roger that. Let us know if you pull anything else from that data hack.
Hey, we got a grunt with a submachine gun. Over there, next to the container.
Drone is airborne.